Now, see here, two charges plus q and plus 4q are placed at a distance of 6a on a horizontal plane. Find locus of the point on the line joining the two charges where electric field is 0. Suppose you have taken there is charge plus q and there is charge plus 4q. This is the distance of 6a. Now, at any point here, suppose at a distance x from q, electric field is 0. So, this distance is x, so the remaining one is here 6a minus x. Electric field can be 0 because of this. Suppose this is A and this is B and this is O. So, EOA to this side because of repulsive and EOB to this side. If the magnitude of these two electric fields are equal and opposite, then the electric field will be here 0. So, we can write EOB is equal to 4q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 6a minus x square and EOA is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught x square. If you solve this, you will be getting 4q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 6a minus x square is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught x square. Cancel, everything is here. So, we can get here 4 is equal to 6a minus x square upon x square and we can write 2 is equal to 6a minus x upon x. We have taken a square to this side. So, now the 2x minus 2x plus x is equal to 6a. So, here x is equal to here now 2a. So, it means at the distance of 2a from plus q, electric field intensity will be 0.